Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best Tyme Seeds is probably one of the most underrated superfoods you're not incorporating into your daily diet, offering a powerhouse of essential nutrients, incredible versatility in the kitchen from savory dishes to sweet treats, and a unique earthy flavor that can elevate any meal, making it an absolute game changer for anyone looking to boost their health and culinary creativity effortlessly. Number 5. Homegrown 15-pack Heirloom Herb Seeds Kit. This all-in-one kit lets you start your own herb garden with ease. It includes 15 popular heirloom varieties, all USA sourced and tested for high germination. You can grow them in your backyard, windowsill, or pots for fresh flavors all season. These seeds thrive in various environments, from hydroponic systems to traditional soil. They are perfect for apartment dwellers and urban gardeners with limited outdoor space. You can grow fresh herbs year-round, even in small containers. This starter kit makes a thoughtful gift for anyone who loves fresh ingredients. It's ideal for holidays, birthdays, or housewarmings. Beautifully packaged, it's a meaningful gardening gift that keeps growing all year. Every seed is 100% non-GMO and heirloom, allowing for continuous harvests. With over 85% germination, even first-time gardeners will see results quickly. They are easy to grow, needing just soil, water, and sunlight. These herbs are not just for cooking. You can brew fresh teas, create crafts, or even use them in homemade skincare. They are also perfect for teaching children about food origins. Fresh herbs also make stunning kitchen decor. What we like. This kit offers a massive variety of 15 different culinary herbs, perfect for any kitchen. It's also designed to thrive in various growing environments, including hydroponic systems and small indoor pots. If you're an urban gardener or apartment dweller looking for a versatile and extensive herb collection that's easy to grow year-round, this is an excellent choice. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON, so no points could be extracted. Please provide actual product reviews to extract points. Number 4. Outsidepride Crimson Clover Seeds. Discover the power of these premium crimson clover seeds. They are an excellent choice for enhancing your land and supporting local wildlife. These seeds bloom into vibrant red clover, providing a vital protein source. They nourish white-tailed deer, livestock, and beneficial pollinators like bees and butterflies. Whether for hay, cover crops, or pasture improvement, these seeds are incredibly versatile. They thrive in various soil types, from sandy to clay, and tolerate medium acidity. Plant them in the fall for excellent late winter grazing opportunities. They also significantly improve soil quality, especially when rotated with other grasses. These non-GMO, open-pollinated seeds are coated and inoculated for superior germination and robust plant growth. They support sustainable practices and pollinator health. Sowing is simple, with clear guidelines for optimal coverage. They provide high-quality, palatable cool-season forage, making them perfect for deer and other wildlife. What we like. These seeds are fantastic for enhancing soil quality and providing a rich protein source. They are highly versatile, adapting well to different soil types and serving multiple purposes like cover cropping and pasture improvement. If you're a farmer, hunter, or land manager focused on sustainable soil health and attracting wildlife, this product is ideal. What people say. Number 3. Spade to Fork Organic Indoor Herb Garden Kit. This kit comes from a family-owned farm in rural Oregon, ensuring quality and care. It includes 5 types of certified organic, non-GMO seeds, along with compostable pots, rich potting soil, and custom plant markers. You'll also find a beautiful 26-page growing guide to help you get started. Unlike many kits that only offer organic seeds, this entire system is USDA certified organic. Its soil and pots are free from harmful chemicals, making it a safe and sustainable choice for your family. It's proudly certified right here in Oregon. Looking for a unique present? This indoor herb seed kit makes a fun and thoughtful gift for virtually anyone, from beginners to seasoned gardeners. It's perfect for birthdays, holidays, or as a housewarming surprise. You can grow these herbs perfectly on a windowsill, in an apartment, or even on your kitchen countertop. Its compact design fits seamlessly into any space, bringing fresh flavors right to your fingertips. It adapts to your home environment with ease. Bring your kitchen to life with fresh, homegrown herbs. This decorative kit allows you to add gourmet flavor to your meals and a touch of green to your home. It's a unique way to spice up your cooking with ingredients straight from your own garden. Beyond being a great gift, this kit offers a fun everyday activity for the whole family. Whether you're a first-time grower or an experienced gardener, it promises to bring taste to your dishes, color to your kitchen, and joy to your table. What we like. This entire kit is certified USDA organic, ensuring every component from seeds to soil and pots is free from harmful chemicals. It's a complete, all-in-one solution for starting an indoor herb garden. If you prioritize eco-friendly, sustainable gardening and want a safe, fully organic system for your family, this kit is perfectly suited for you. What people say. Number 2. Survival Garden Seeds Ultimate Medicinal Herb Pack. Discover the Ultimate Medicinal Herb Seeds Variety Pack. It contains 36 heirloom, non-GMO healing herbs, perfect for planting your own wellness and apothecary garden. This kit is ideal for herbalists, homesteaders, and anyone seeking natural remedies. This pack features popular healing herbs like lavender, calendula, echinacea, and peppermint. You'll also find chamomile, lemon balm, and many more, all known for their beneficial properties. These are perfect for starting your journey into natural wellness. Explore unique additions such as white sage, marshmallow, and hyssop. It also includes holy basil, toothache plant, and clary sage, offering a diverse range for advanced herbalists. These rare plants expand your apothecary with specialized remedies. Cultivate your own herbal tea blends with seeds like lovage, wild bergamot, and catnip. You'll also find fennel, anise, and oats, perfect for soothing and flavorful infusions. This collection provides everything you need for a delightful tea garden. This medicinal garden kit is incredibly easy to grow, allowing you to cultivate heirloom healing herbs for teas, tinctures, and salves. It's a perfect gift for herbalists, homesteaders, or even beginners looking to grow natural remedies indoors or outdoors. You can start your wellness journey today. These heirloom, non-GMO seeds come from Survival Garden Seeds, a trusted American, family-owned small business. They are always open-pollinated, untreated, and quality-tested to ensure your garden's success. You can rely on their commitment to excellence. What we like. This pack boasts an impressive collection of 36 heirloom medicinal herbs, specifically curated for wellness and natural remedies. It allows you to cultivate your own apothecary garden for teas, tinctures, and salves. If you're an herbalist, homesteader, or simply interested in growing your own healing plants, this extensive variety pack is your go-to. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no points can be selected as per the instructions. Number 1. Savory Seeds Thyme Heirloom Packet. This popular culinary herb comes in a vibrant, full-color packet. It's perfect for both indoor kitchen gardens and outdoor plots, offering versatility for any grower. Each packet contains enough seeds from multiple plantings. These seeds germinate quickly, typically within 14 to 21 days, and are ready for planting in partial shade. They will grow to a modest height and spread, maturing in just 75 to 90 days. You can start harvesting as soon as the plants have a few sets of leaves. Fresh thyme is an essential ingredient for many dishes, from rich Italian sauces to savory roasted meats. It adds abundant, aromatic flavor, transforming everyday meals into gourmet experiences. Imagine the delicious taste it will bring to your cooking. Clear, easy-to-follow instructions are included on every packet, making cultivation simple. Should you have any questions, dedicated support is readily available to assist you. Plus, if these seeds don't germinate, they will happily make it right for you. Their operation is fully solar-powered, ensuring an environmentally conscious and sustainable choice for your garden. They've also taken a safe seed pledge, guaranteeing fresh, non-GMO heirloom seeds for you and your family. You can trust them for quality and peace of mind. Whether you prefer an indoor kitchen herb garden or an outdoor plot, this variety thrives in both environments. It's also great for hydroponics growing, offering even more flexibility. You'll have fresh thyme on hand, no matter your setup. What we like. This packet focuses specifically on thyme, a popular and essential culinary herb, providing a generous amount of seeds. It's incredibly easy to grow both indoors and outdoors, making fresh thyme readily available for your cooking. If you're a gourmet cook who frequently uses this specific herb and wants a reliable, abundant supply, this dedicated seed pack is perfect. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.